This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janet Lineberg. Be greater than price to sell. Enjoy lake views from this beautifully upgraded home/B with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, Florida room, laundry room and 2-car garage. The Be Greater Than New roof/B has been ordered with a completion date of mid-December. The kitchen has impeccable upgrades to the cabinets including the new quartz countertops. The 2 bathrooms have the coolest quartz, which is a must-see in person. The remodel was 2021 and cost $35,000. The 2019 upgrades were the windows, door and lanai sliders for the amount of $33,000. Please note this villa's plumbing has also been repiped. This is a rare large villa of 2,055 square feet and 1,509 square feet under air, freshly remodeled, and is situated on a picturesque lake. Less than bedroom greater than. This home is lovingly remodeled, enhancing the quality with new countertops, flooring, and more quality to welcome the natural sunlight. Elegant views of this peaceful lake with abundant wildlife ready to be enjoyed throughout the year from this spectacular lanai. The master bedroom with walk-in closet has a stunning ensuite bathroom with 2 long countertops, on one side dual sinks, the other side is 1 long vanity, both with gorgeous quartz you must see. Both bathrooms are totally remodeled from the floors, countertops to the showers. The views of the lake can be enjoyed from the comfort of your living room, bedroom, and lanai area. The kitchen has a skylight and plenty of generous cabinet space with an eat-in area. Separately, there is a quaint dining area to entertain guests. There are 2 guest bedrooms for visiting friends to come and relax. The 2-car garage has plenty of space for tools, and the floor has also been upgraded with epoxy for a good clean look. Less than bedroom greater than. Low Hoa 265 fee includes maintenance-free, basic cable and amenities for comfort and fun. This includes plenty of activities at the clubhouse, swimming at the community pool, tennis courts, pickleball, shuffleboard and billiards. The Master Association fee for the full year is $550. Pets are welcome in this ideal community of the Isles of Chestnut Creek. Easy commute to Venice Beach. Go west on Center Road and turn right onto Venice Island. For more information, review the details below or contact Janet Lineberg at 941-225-5289.